Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I have me some. I stopped and got something to eat because it's extremely hot out there. Some fried chicken wings, a biscuit, and I got me some lemonade. I'm gonna show you that, you guys. So that's what's for dinner for me. So how is your day today, you guys? Mine is going pretty well. Resting up under the air, chilling, bringing you guys this video. And hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, so here's my 5 chicken wings. I got a biscuit. I don't think I'm gonna eat that. Here's my lemonade on deck, and I had some leftover coleslaw from the holiday. So this is what I'm going to enjoy and watch TV, and I'm gonna have a snack. And that's a pineapple muffin that I made yesterday. So let me get ready to eat, and I will be back later, you guys. And I'm gonna sprinkle some ranch seasoning on my chicken wings. Okay, you guys. First, let me see, do I even have it? Yeah, I have a little ranch. So, you know what? Actually, I got a little sour cream. I might put a little sour cream, then make me a little dip. I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me get started and making that, you guys. Okay, here's my ranch and sour cream dip. It is so good. I like to make this and dip my chips, make a dip for my chips. Okay, so I thank you guys. I'm finna get ready to get to eating, and I thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.